Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set the camera timer on your iPhone 17 so you can take hands-free photos with ease. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. You can do this from the home screen, lock screen, or pressing the camera control button. Next, tap on the menu button located on the top right corner of the screen. It is made up of 6 dots. When you tap on it, you will see a menu with multiple options. Here, tap on the timer option. You will get 3 options: off with no timer, 3 seconds for a 3-second timer, 5 seconds, and a 10-second timer. Select the one you want. Usually a 10-second timer works best for group photos and selfies. Now set your iPhone in position or on a tripod, frame your shot and tap the shutter button. You will see a countdown appear on the screen, and once it hits 0, your iPhone will automatically take the picture. Here's a bonus tip. If you have an Apple Watch, you can open the camera remote app on your watch to trigger the timer and preview your shot right from your wrist. And that's how you set a camera timer on your iPhone 17. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.